Bet he strolls back in here like nothing happened.
Better park that nice new Raven carefully.
Let's give the traditional stranded welcome. Strip the chopper for parts.
Goddamn disc.
So which idiot said he wanted to see some action for a change? Well, this comes in three.
Nice.
We need a grenade! I'll figure out a way to decode the rest of that disc, Marcus. We'll find it.
Come on! Everybody get out there and finish these assholes!
This is the chairman.
Great, now he wants coffee.
I'm under attack in the captain's cabin. Michelson's badly wounded and can't hold them off alone. We require immediate assistance.
Prescott, this is Phoenix. Hold on, we're coming. Come on, move it! We gotta get down there! Prescott can't handle this! Anyone near the lift controls? Raise the deck lift!
You got it, Phoenix!
Piece of shit!
Fire in the hole!
Look out!
Holy shit! What the hell's that?
It's not a stock.
Look out! It's coming back!
It's a goddamn Leviathan! Come on, people, give it everything you got!
Holy shit! How big is that thing?
Watch it, big jump! That thing can't take a hit.
Everyone okay?
Get that thing off the ship! Come on, brass it up!
Go for the ice! Keep shooting till it moves! Oh, that's nasty!
Face!
Hey, where'd it go?
Up front! Keep firing!
Oh, shit, we're cornered. That thing's smarter than it looks. We've got to get it right under the bridge. Keep shooting. It's almost there. Keep firing. Oh, I'm sorry. Did that hurt?
Cole, you got one pistol Leviathan in position. You ready?
Go! Give us a minute!
Tell Baird he's just blowing shit up. Not like the goddamn symphony.
Yeah, but we got our own problems up here!
Cole, you're gonna be scraping us up in a bucket if you don't get a move on.
We'll find some cover fast.
be tickers!
What the hell's he thinking? Run!
Hey, I thought you'd enjoy the witty irony of Grub on Glowy Island.
Yeah, fucking hilarious! You're gonna blow up the whole ship, genius! Get clear! Jump! We got a live one!
Is that?
Whatever the hell that is, that's a new world record in Ugly. Yeah, your punk ass messed up my sacred turf. Bad idea. But I'm about to clean some shit off these motherfuckers. Whoa!
Are you okay, Cole?
Ah! The train still got the moves, baby!
Hey, not anymore. Love heights. Love them. Fucking love them.
Come on! The line still reaches the bridge!
And that's our stop, so let's do this! Wow! I think I just invented a new sport technique!
Getting your ass shot off while dangling from a cable? Yeah, that'll catch on. The ass-off championship.
Wow! Okay, let's secure this bridge!
That's the last of them. For now, anyway.
Mortars, get down!
Hey, Bear! We could use one of those.
No, a mortar would just piss off a Leviathan that size.
Okay, let's just kill the mortar crew and find that stash of tickets.
Hey! Take cover in the containers!